What is going on, guys? Poplar, and today I'm back with another video, and today I am doing a how-to video on, as you guys already saw in the title, how to make a mask out of a t-shirt. So yeah, let's get into it. So first, you grab your t-shirt, your normal t-shirt, as you guys can see, and then you just turn it upside down, as you guys can see. Turn it upside down and put your head through it, okay? And now, okay, now you have to do like this, as you guys can see, like this. So yeah, put this, okay, yeah, you guys already know. So you put this onto your nose, like this. Then you grab the two sleeves. So I first put it here. Then just grab the sleeves. Wait, where are the sleeves? Okay, got the sleeves. And just, I don't know if you guys can see, but just tie the sleeves together. And when you're done, you pull this, you pull the up part down, put this mask a little bit up more, and you're pretty much done. You can have this, you can have it like this, or you can tuck it inside your shirt or anything that you have on. Okay, so now I look more muscular. So yeah, well, that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to drop a like, subscribe. I know this video is short. This is a short tutorial video, but yeah, I was Poplar. Goodbye.